Hey guys, it's Min from Oomomo, and today I will be showing you guys my usual morning routine. So to start off, I will be using the rainbow headband once again to keep the hair out of my face. I have already tied my hair into pigtails, and now I am going to use the clips to hold the headband in place so it does not move around during my routine. For cleanser, I am using the low pH Good Morning cleanser from the brand COSRX. What's great about this product is that you only need a small amount, maybe 1 or 2 pea sizes. I mix it with a little bit of water and then gently rub my face. After that, you would want to rinse with warm water. Here I am dabbing my face with a clean towel. Remember to dab it, not to rub. After, I'll be using a face mask. Today I'm using the Pepraronic mask by S&P Prep. It is really slimy with all the juicy extents you get. You can see from my face, I don't really like touching slimy things, but anything for skincare, right? Oh, and don't forget to leave the bag aside, don't throw it out. Next, I try to unfold the mask as best as I can and then proceed to place it on my face. I have a tiny round face, so there are going to be a few creases in mine. After removing the mask, use clean fingers to really spread the essence evenly around your face. Taking these disposable facial masks, I'm going to put one into the face mask that I have left aside for an extra use. What I personally like to do is wet the facial mask just a little bit before putting it in to really, get it going. And now here I am using the bag sealer to seal my extra facial mask in. You know when it's completely sealed, when you can see the sealed line just like this. Lastly, I'm taking the Pepraronic cream by S&P Prep to moisturize. I'm only taking a small amount this time because I have already used the face mask from today. I usually curl my hair at the end, even though I probably won't go anywhere. Yeah, and that's my morning routine. Thanks for watching.